Hey guys, quick walk around of my Honda Ruckus. This one is a 2011 model. See right there. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace for about $1,700, delivered to my front door. I am the second owner of this scooter. When I bought it, it had some cosmetic damages on it. For example, this was all fucked up, so I had to change it. Carbs were not clean. This was damaged. No turn signals, but I mean, I fixed all of that. I bought all the parts, the replacement parts, and they were all genuine Honda parts from eBay and also Amazon. I also got this very handy bag from Amazon for $55. When I bought it for $1,700 delivered, it only had less than 250 miles. Now it has 271 miles. I don't know, I just wanted to get back on two wheels. I didn't really want to buy another motorcycle because I don't have time to ride it, so I figured I'll just get something cheap, fun, you know, just to ride around in my neighborhood and just to mess around with. I haven't registered it yet, but I will soon. I've just been pretty busy with it. Other than that, I'm gonna take you guys for a spin. I haven't started it yet, so we'll listen to the cold start and then I'll go right around and get the mail. When you flip on the switch, you can hear the fuel pump. And then when it stops, you're ready to start the bike. I'll give it about a minute and I'll start riding it. In the meantime, I'm gonna mount my GoPro on my chest. Alright, it's ready to go. That's a lot of fun. see if I have mail. I have mail. More parts for the scooter. Storage comes in handy. Done. Yep. These things are a lot of fun. On the Ruckus. Highly recommended.